Recently, Coney Island announced plans to remove all rides and expand their water park and sunlight pool area. We got the chance to talk to Sean Mouse, the communications and marketing manager, to find out more about these changes.
We've been looking at it for about 4 to 5 years. We've been doing surveys over that time period, and most of those have come back saying that the folks want more water features added to the park, and coupled with the fact that we do take daily attendance and we know that the ridership has been declining by about 11% over the last 3 years. It was an economic decision. The ridership has been declining, like I said, 11% over the last 3 years. And people have told us on these hot summer days, they don't want to ride the rides. They want to sit in the pool and hang out in the water. So once the rides are removed over the course of the next 5 years, we're going to be expanding Sunlight Water Adventure, putting in all sorts of different water attractions, and that'll culminate in 2025, which is the 100th anniversary of Sunlight Pool. We have Christmas Nights of Lights that'll start on November the 8th, and that'll run through January the 7th, and then we'll kick back in for our big season again on Memorial Day weekend in 2020.
Coney Island has hired multiple brokers in order to assess how much the rides are worth and find buyers to take them away. So far, they have sold the boats and trains and have lined up buyers for the turtles and the python. While it may seem disappointing to some that the rides are going away, there are exciting plans for the future with the water park. While they wouldn't give us much info as to what the changes and additions will be, it will be exciting to see what happens in the next 5 years.